Hey, it's me again. And now I'm working on the questions for my lab, and I'm on number B. So, I'm using the two different samples of water. Y'all can read. I don't have to read it out to you. Okay, so the first one, I'm gonna label it A. And I'm gonna use the percent error, which is the measured value minus the accepted value divided by the accepted value times 100. So the first one, I'm writing big, would be 102 degrees Celsius minus 100 degrees Celsius, because that's the accepted value, over another 100 degrees Celsius times 100, and 102 is minus 100 is 2, divided by 100, 0.02 times 100 equals 2%. So that's the percent area for the first one. Then you have B, which would be 99.2. Can you see it? Minus 100 degrees over 100 Celsius. I'm showing you a problem. And this equals negative 0.8%. So yeah, that's me working out a problem. So yeah, I did it. Okay, bye bye.